Tata, di ka dito sa harap. Hi ka.
Or damage. The operators of the park shall not be responsible. Its premises. Encouraging guests to take care of their personal belongings. Please maintain your place in times. Proper attire. Is sufficient to persons who are not properly. Accessories are not encouraged while on board every day. Food and beverages, goods items like bike, trolley, skateboard, shoes with rollers, and sports ball. Enchanted Kingdom reserves the right to inspect all bags, packages, etc. and to avoid the use of metal detectors as necessary. Please be mindful of your loose belongings. Expectant mothers are allowed to ride the Grand Carousel and Boulderfield Express. Many rides at Enchanted Kingdom are dynamic and thrilling. You should be of proper size and good health to ride safely. If you suspect your health will be at risk for any reason, or you could activate a pre-existing condition of any kind, please do not ride. Thank you and enjoy your stay here at Enchanted Kingdom. Enchanted Kingdom wishes to announce that the park schedule for today is 11 a.m. until 9 p.m. The Sky Wizard Bee fireworks display is scheduled at 8:30 p.m. Enjoy a magical day only at Enchanted Kingdom. Enchanted Kingdom wishes to announce that the park schedule for today is 11 a.m. until 9 p.m. Sky Wizard Bee fireworks display is scheduled at 8:30 p.m. Enjoy a magical day only at Enchanted Kingdom. Enchanted Kingdom terms and conditions.